Hi sewing friends, it's Alice Murray with 365 days of sewing makes by Murr-made Designs. That's me, 365 days. Can I do it? I don't know. Thanks for coming along with me and cheering me on. That helps a lot. So today is day 17, and what I want to show you is this little top. New look 6668. It's a little sleeveless summer top for wovens. Has a seam up the front, V-neck, sleeveless, a pendulum. The pattern comes with the skirt and the top. I like patterns like that. They have lots of different things in them, and I will show you my version. Give you a twirl. So what I like about this top is I like the material. I used chambray that I got online, which I think I got from Fabric Land online. It's a beautiful material. Feels nice. It was great to sew. I also like the facing instructions in this pattern. This was probably the best facing instructions I've ever had in a pattern, and the facing went in beautifully. The challenges with this pattern is I think there's a whole lot that's not flattering about it. One thing is these aren't gathers, these are pleats that they have going up the front and down the bottom. And you know, it actually, it isn't just me. I don't think it even looks flattering on the model, that it's, you know, kind of makes it kind of bunchy looking. I think although chambray was one of the fabrics that are listed on the back for suggested fabrics, I think it is too stiff of a fabric, or maybe the waistline's too high. I don't know, but I think it just makes it look too much, kind of like a little skirt at the bottom. It's kind of pokey outy. And the V, again, I have so much trouble with V's. It was way too low, so I sewed it up the middle and had to adjust the shoulders. And the armholes went way in, which, you know, kind of showed what was underneath them. And so when I put the binding on, I didn't fold it in. I just left it poking out to give it a little bit more coverage at the sides. So, you know, it's not my favorite pattern I've made. I just made this the other day. I will wear it. I'm wearing it right now. I'm gonna wear it today. Wear what you sew, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Wear it all. But I don't know. I don't think it's my favorite. I would love to hear in the comments what you think of it. So for me, new look 6668, not a winner. Not in love with this top at all. But I will try the skirt, see what I think of that. Today in my grateful thread, I just want to give a shout out to my youngest son, Logan, who is having his birthday today. Happy birthday, Logan. I love you. And I love to hear from you who are watching this, who you're grateful for today. Is there anybody in your family having a birthday today? And I hope you're sewing, because sewing is so much fun. Bye for now.